this is Steve Boss in Steve Boss Studios, and today we are going to hatch a baby dinosaur. So let's just go through the instructions. We only have this here, because we have to unwrap it and put it in water. So, here goes nothing. Wow. This actually feels like a real egg. This actually feels like a real egg, guys. Okay, there may be some noises in the background. I'm just going to put this in. Just to tell you, never tried this before. Okay, we can just wait for a few minutes. Wow. What's happening? Trust me, this is actually new. So, I've never tried it before. I'm not allowed my face in these videos. Sorry about the noises in the background. No, my mom's gonna get me in so much trouble for that. Yes, look at that, guys. Wow. Just to tell you, this video is actually for a sponsor. Oh. What's this? Bits coming out. Dinosaur's hatching. Mom, the dinosaur's hatching. The dinosaur's hatching. I told the people that there's going to be some noises in the background. So, and they found out that it started hatching. Looks like this.
Yeah.
This is my mom talking in the background. I'm not going to show you her face. What's happening to my hand? Ugh. Here it is. It only hatches once. That's why I'm making a video. Okay. Right. Time to go in the kitchen. Right. Where's a bowl? I'm taking out a bowl. Just gonna transfer. Make a little transfer. Okay, guys. Sorry if this is taking a while. I didn't actually expect this video to go for that long. Oh! Started hatching. I'm helping it out. Guys, I'm helping it out. Oh! Wow. That is fancy. Wow. Here it is. Here it is. I'm just going to leave it with you for a while. Yeah. Oh, all the stuff on my fingers. Ew. So yeah. Here he is. Breaking some stuff off him. Okay, this video is going pretty good. Unlike all of my other videos I actually haven't posted. Well, this is the end of the video, and just to tell you, this is a video sponsor for these people. The Fizzy Company. Fizzy Dino Hatches. We all have safe regards for them. Keep your company going. This video is for you. And bye! Please comment to Steve Studios.